Operate the attachment several times. Relieve all air from cylinders. Let telescopic forks can extend and retract at same time. Check the hydraulic system, is it smooth and oil port, no oil leakage. First, honed cylinder bores improve seal life. Second, hard chromed piston rods protected by outer forks. Third, one or twin cylinders in each fork allow the forks to work in all kinds of applications. Fourth, fully integrated oil channels and hydraulic parts mean working parts are protected, reducing maintenance costs. Telescopic forks can quickly change the length of the fork. Users can easily load and unload from one side to improve safety and save time. Telescopic forks allow handle 2 pallets at same time, save about 50% of handle costs. Wonton telescopic fork is mainly used on warehouse environment like reach trucks and articulate at forklift trucks. Double deep doesn't require any specialist plant to operate except for a set of telescopic forks, meaning that initial expenditure is kept low for the plant to operate the system. Additional driver training for operators is not required, and the speed for access is higher than many other deep storage systems such as drive-in.